about you be the one who go to schools or go to moms in your area, go to mothers in your areas and tell them, oh, I sell these things. Like I said from the initial, take some samples. Just make one or two in the bag and take it to them. Take it in the community. Show it to people. Oh, I make this. You can pick up your children lunch in the morning. Everybody get lunch for the kids in the morning. People who don't even make lunch for the kids, they give their kids money to be able to buy something to eat because that's a whole full day of school. So how about you be the one to go in the community, go in your areas or go to the schools and tell the teachers or even the principal, whoever there, that, oh, I make this thing. I can make, if even they say, oh, you will pay all maybe $50 every day to bring your goods here. You don't have to go sit on the campus all day. They know that you go in there, you take your stuff there. Your food is good, it's healthy, it's well packaged. Children will not eat it for them to get sick. I mean, that's one thing that people look for. Nobody want to, even if you don't have money, you still don't want to buy something for your children to eat that's going to make them sick. So once you see it nicely packaged, it's clean. The person who making it, when you bring in it, you bring your whole, everything is sealed up. You bring it there, you supply them. You know how much you're going to be making from that school every week. Even if they say, oh, pay us this X amount, sit down and calculate. Okay, if I sell $500 donuts here every week, if the school say I should pay them $100, okay, that's part of my profit that's going. But you know what? That's part of the cost of doing business. And eventually you look, the next thing you go to another school. Maybe they will tell you, oh, okay, to sell here, you're going to pay $50. That's that $100 that you spend to the other school there, $50 or it drop, right? If you carry the same $500 amount of donuts over there, you get extra $50 there that they did not charge you. So that's still at least a filling a little space for where you spend the $100. So how about you try like that? Go to the parents or go to the school. Let them know what you do. To the parents, it's going to be free. So, I mean, for me, that would be my option, to go to the parents, because that's going to be free. If I go to the parents are going to say, oh, I will charge you to sell donuts to my child. No. So I would take that route. I would prefer going to the parents, tell them, oh, I make this thing. This is what I make. But every morning, I bring your children lunch in the morning. And, I mean, at the end of the week, you can pay me. Or I bring their lunch in the morning. You buy it before they go to school. You make juice. That's another packaged product that you can make. Make your juice. Buy your empty bottles. Clean them up. Or find empty bottles. Excuse me. Clean them up. Like I said, make your label. Stick it on there. You can make orange juice. You can make whatever juice it is over there. Make it yourself. Let it be made with clean water. Make it. Put a label on it. The parents know what their children eating, what they're drinking. The juice will be buying from the store. The Chinese people are making it, sending over there. We don't even know what they say they're making with it. But still, we buy it, right? We still buy it. They come from other countries. We'll buy it. We'll pay money for it. So if you're making it right there, you have more advantage, because if the people importing the juice and they're selling a bottle of juice for maybe $10, you're making yours right there, putting your label on it, make it beautiful. I mean, even though it's not going to be in a snap type bottle, because right now you don't have the money to get the machine that's going to lock it tight and all those kind of things. But if you make it good, you put the label on it, make it look beautiful, like they can do it. I mean, package your product to look good. And if even they're selling theirs for $10, you can afford to sell yours for $8, because you're not paying importation duty. You're not paying no import duty. You're not transporting it from any country to there. You just make it right there and you package it. And this is also for you who already selling it. You who already selling it, I want you to step it up. Step up your game. Stop tying that plenty chain in the cold water bed, put it on your head, and be passing it around with it, man. It's not going to help you. It's just going to make you sick. Let me tell you the truth. Because the rain falling on you, the sun shining on the bed, is fading the color of your chips, is taking the oil, is going to start smelling rotten if you don't stop. So that way people are not going to buy it. But if you package your product, while we can leave the plenty chair on the street, we leave pack on tire on the street and we go in the store and go buy the one the people say they're in a package bag, right? That's the one we go to buy. Because the way the people package it, Packaging when you're selling is one thing that brings people to you because it attracts the eye. In this eye, it can't help it. The eye cannot help when it sees good things. It wants it. Just think about you when you go walk down Waterside. What makes you to buy? You saw that fine jeans, right? Or you saw somebody wearing it so beautiful on them. You don't even know whether it's going to look beautiful on you, but you just want to buy it because you saw it on somebody fine, or you saw it hanging up. It's fine. So you just want to buy it. So you go ahead and buy it because your eye saw it and it sent that message to your brain that, oh yeah, when you wear that jeans, you're going to look so cute in it. So you go ahead and spend your last money. But I'll tell you this Christmas, don't spend that money to buy jeans trouser. Spend that money to invest in your life. That's what you should do. That money you're going to take to buy that jeans trouser, just go take one of the old jeans you get in there, man. Wear it for that date or whatever it is you get coming up here. Because people probably not even noticing how many jeans trousers you get because you get so much now. People not even looking at it. All those blouses. Take one on it, you wear it to that occasion. Nobody care whether you've been wearing it for 5 years now. You will be thinking it's all in your head. You've been thinking it in your head that, oh yeah, people think every day that they want blouse again. Nobody noticing you, man. I will tell you the truth. Even if somebody noticing you, that money that you taking to go buy another one, take it and start a business where 2-3 years from now, the people who sitting there and saying you wearing one shirt or you wearing one jeans, 2-3 years from now, someone will even come to you to come work for you. Or someone will come to you to come ask you to credit them. Loan them some money. That's what I want you to do this year. This December, I want you to take that money that you're going to spend to shopping. Take it, invest it into something that's going to keep making you money forever. And your children going to be proud of you not shopping and buying doll baby for them. But you did something that they can live off for now. Anything they want, they can get it. And you will also be teaching them how to make money. That's what they're going to be learning. So let's move to the next one. The number 2 I have here, affiliate marketing. You might not be too familiar with Liberia, but it's in other African countries now. It's being introduced in other African countries. Or it's for people who will say, oh, I don't have any money. I want to start, but I don't have any money. Okay, this is how you start. Go to the store. The things you buy every day, the people you buy from every day. You on Facebook, I guess. We can say we don't have money in Liberia, but every day we're on Facebook. And to get on Facebook, you gotta have data on your phone. We can get on Instagram, we can get on TikTok. Just to go watch other people. The same thing those people doing, they're making their money. They may not be making a bag for it, but at least if they do that for 2, 3, 4, 5 times, at least even if it will be $2 or $3 or $5 US, they will make it. You go there. Those same products that you use in your home every day or that you buy every day. Tell the person who you buy from, oh, they say I can help you to sell it. The things that I buy from you here, I can help you to sell it. If I send people to buy from you, what are you going to give me? How much are you going to give me? If even you and they agree on the cost, the price that they're going to give you, that's called commission. That's how you do affiliate marketing. So I will advise you, your data, before you burn it on Facebook or on TikTok or on Instagram to watch other people, be doing something there yourself. That product that you're using, like I said, if you take a picture of it and you talk to that person already, talk to them and you and them agree on it, like, oh, I can bring people to your store. Just go there, get a store near, take picture of it, show people how you use it. The people who can bleach, y'all who bleaching, show the people the bleaching cream you're using. Show the people the bleaching cream that you're using, how it bleach you, how you look, make your skin to move from black to white, with no spots on it. Because I noticed that's the hardest thing now. Everybody want to be white. So if you were successful in turning from me to a white woman, cool, kudos to you. Make some money out of that. Show people what kind of cream you use, how you use it. Go on your Facebook, take the picture of that cream. Tell the person you bought it from, oh, I can help some people. I can bring some people to you to buy. Let them give you a code, or you and they agree on a contract that they're going to pay you. Make sure, like I said, you and them agree on a contract, not just word of mouth. Because like I said, people in Liberia, you can't trust them. Truth in Liberia is so different. You can't find it. If you find it, it's so rare. It's so hard to find. That's the thing. And that's what we need to try to get away from. We need to get away from being so insincere, because it's costing us a whole lot. If you're a truthful person, you and the person go through a contract, let them tell you exactly how much they're going to pay you. And when you do that, they give you a code. You and them can do a code. If people click on your link and they use that code, they go to the store, they can shop if they got online. If they don't have online, you can tell them, oh, I can deliver this to my customers. And the people who will find you on your social media, or the people who want it, you know your bleaching community, you know your friends. They want to bleach too. They want to look like you. Whatever it is you're using, that hair wig you're using, they want to wear it too. That weave you're wearing, they want to wear it too. Tell the person you bought it from, I can help you to sell some of this thing, because I know someone will ask you, oh man, who fix your hair? Oh, okay, I can carry you to the place they fix my hair. Tell the person, you carry one customer there to them. If that hair is whatever the price, however amount they can give to you, they give it to you for that day, right? That's how people make money. If you do that, you got 3, 4, 5 different places that you're doing that, you're going to make some money out of those things. You keep buying like that.